Hello friends, today we are going to learn warming up and chit chat of unit number 2.4 and epitome of courage from standard 10th subject English. Let's go start. A strange truth. Handicapped are those who refuse to take up challenges even with all their senses and physiology इन परफेक्ट कंडिशन. एक विचित्र सत्य, ज्यांच्याकडे सर्व इंद्रिये आणि शरीराची पूर्ण कार्यक्षमता असूनही ते आव्हाने स्वीकारण्यास नकार देतात, तेच खरे अपंग आहेत. अंडरस्टँड अँड डिस्कस द अबोव ट्रूथ. वरील सत्य समजून घ्या आणि त्यावर चर्चा करा. दिस ट्रूथ इज नॉट अबाउट पीपल हू आर रिअली डिसेबल्ड. इट इज अबाउट पीपल who are healthy in body and mind but still do not try to do anything difficult. They avoid challenges and do not want to change their thinking. They keep the same negative attitude and do not take any active steps in life. Next, how can you encourage such people to change and become confident? Discuss at least 4 to 5 ways you can do the above. तुम्ही त्यांच्यात बदल घडून आणण्याकरिता व आत्मविश्वास निर्माण करण्याकरिता कसे प्रोत्साहन द्याल, असे करण्याकरिता निदान 4 ते 5 मार्गाची चर्चा करा. सिंपल वेज टू एनकरेज अँड गिव्ह कॉन्फिडन्स. फर्स्ट, अंडरस्टँड देअर प्रॉब्लेम्स अँड व्हॉट स्टॉप्स देम फ्रॉम ट्राईंग. सेकंड, टॉक काइंडली टू देम and remind them of their good qualities. Third, share stories of people who succeeded after facing challenges. Fourth, advise them to be brave and active in life. Fifth, support them in areas where they feel weak, like confidence or courage. Next question. There are pleasant and polite ways of referring to people with physical and mental disabilities. Fill in the table below. शारीरिक व मानसिकदृष्ट्या अपंगत्व असलेल्या लोकांसाठी काही सुखद व सुसंस्कृत शब्द वापरले जातात. ते शब्द पुढील तक्त्यात भरा. प्रिव्हियसली यूज्ड टर्म, न्यू पोलाइट टर्म्स. फर्स्ट, ब्लाइंड, व्हिज्युअली चॅलेंज्ड. सेकंड, डेफ, हिअरिंग impaired. Third, dumb, speech impaired. Fourth, mad, mentally ill. Fifth, lame, physically handicapped. Next question. Read the beginnings and complete the story in your own words. सुरुवात वाचा आणि तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात कथा पूर्ण करा. सुमित, the son of a shoemaker, was a highly intelligent student in a municipal school. His maths teacher called him Einstein, for he was brilliant in maths. He loved maths. Sumit wanted to study further after SSC, however he suffered from polio and now continue the story with a favorable positive ending. Could not walk properly. Still, Sumit did not lose hope. He worked hard and passed SSC with very good marks. His teachers encouraged him and he got a scholarship for higher studies. Sumit decided to become a software engineer. He studied day and night, completed his degree in mathematics. Later, he became a software engineer and also started teaching poor children, and many students respected him. Sumit proved that disability cannot stop a person who has courage and determination. He became an inspiration of everyone. अशा पद्धतीने आज आपण an epitome of courage या पाठाचे वॉर्मिंग अप व चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटी अभ्यासल्या आहेत. आय होप हा पाठ जर तुम्हाला समजला तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.